This 15-minute chart I like. It just seems to be the right chart. And I think we've got a dogfight now, because the traders who wanted to short earlier got stopped out, and those traders are on the hook for a squeeze. So this trade, really, we need to see this trade get some traction coming back in and get back to the 49. I think if we got back to the 49, we've probably done well. You need that. You need to get past 50, because that's where the trap was set right there. You caught everybody. So if you're looking at the 5, you can see it. You know? So they may not be able to to pound out the pavements on the upside, but I think they're going to try to prevent the pullback. Yeah, this punch in the face was designed. See, this looks terrible, but reminder, you know, as the days wear on, this line just gets lower and lower, and it makes it easier for the bounce to come a little bit to the upside. So right here, when I said this 43.75 is probably the support, that was exactly right. And this thing is orchestrated. You know, this is a programmed trade. This is a contract of these guys. This is saying, all you guys think that you're up, but now we're going to take you out. So that 54.75, 55 area has got memory, but it doesn't have the same function that it did yesterday. There's market memory there, but it's not a magnet like it was earlier. Primary magnet now, power pivot 60 as resistance. And I've got 49.5 as the primary magnet, so we're above the primary magnet, 49.5. So this is more range type trading, and those traders who want to take a shot at the short side, a reminder, got trap traders right now. This is no longer the same dynamics we had earlier. This is a bounce trade, easily can be seen. And it's going to take some time, and at the end of the day, the key will be, what do the longs want to do? Because day traders for sure are going to want to take some profits. So they'll hang with it. If anybody played this leg and then said, I'm sticking with my trailer, I think we're going to go test that, you know, angel, at the demon, 50 in a half. And I think we're going to test this high, this 52 target. I told you, I thought any bleed back that we get before news would be profit taking. Nothing more, and an expected small. So far, the trap is traders that wanted the last short here and got caught and squeezed. Said no edge. If you get anything at all on this, I said it'll be small, because the biases take profits into the news. You know, we're looking at a 2-day swing, right? Not just this morning, but a 2-day swing. So those traders want to cover ahead of news. That's why it's a good size bounce. And you can see it, you know. This was designed to knock out these traders right here. Now these traders up here are thinking, uh-oh, what about me? and I'm contending that this is a 10-minute chart that we need to be aware of for now, with the goal of trying to test these highs. Knock them out. That's what I think is going on. And that is possible as long as the boys keep it above the squeeze zone where these traders say, I'll get off the hook. I'll get off. No way. Not yet. And keep an eye up here, because we're running into some resistance for sure. In other words, The shorts are going to start to calculate, anybody who's flat is going to calculate, okay, my entry zone is here. They'll let this play out a few minutes and then look to see signs of longs getting tired and probably jump back in one more swing. I think we've got one more short today that'll be a reasonable short. And if not, no big deal. Because the demon from this morning we've got at 57.25. So this is the entry zone for the bigger boys. They're going to start in there. This was yesterday's, at the end of the day, the resistance zone. So anybody who's played long side, congrats, made a great trade. And if you didn't, no worries. We said be calm, defensive. 42, main target, primary achieved. Pops right back out, boom, boom, comes back in. This was the halfway trade. Comes out the top in your face. Right now, the trade is still going long side. Key will be profit taking for the end of day. And little guys have a little bit different risk criteria than, say, the big guys. So keep that in mind. This eye right here is key. This is if we're playing the opening swing. And on the 2-day swing, this is the middle right here. On a 2-day swing. This high that we just achieved is the middle of a 2-day swing. And anybody who's had a good couple of days, a reminder, keep it. We said keep it. Don't give it all back. A lot of traders are going to wish they had just stayed sidelines and taken profits. They're giving it all back. Everybody here. Only aggressive traders with profits willing to risk should be attempting another short now. Longs, what can I say? Great trade. Keep what you made. Sometimes all you want to do is analyze. Sometimes you'll get to that point where you don't want to risk profits. If that's you, do not make excuses and say, oh, geez, I'm a wimp. It's your money. Learn how to handle it. Great day. We love this volatility. See, thanks for your posts.